The two-day training is for investigators, prosecutors, judicial officers, and civil society actors whose roles are critical in ensuring that survivors of GBV find justice and perpetrators are held accountable. The Attorney General and Commissioner of Justice, Hassan El Yakub, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, who was represented by the State Solicitor General and Permanent Secretary, Barrister Yusuf Adamu, said GBV remains one of the most pressing human rights issues in the society. He added that the state has put in place laws and policies to address these menace, but that is not enough unless stakeholders work together.
This training is meant for administration of justice stakeholders. As you may aware that we have some laws that have been introduced, particularly the BAF law, the administration of criminal justice. So these laws came in with so many changes. So because of these changes, we are inviting all the stakeholders in the administration of justice to come in so that we will look at the laws and see the gaps. We'll be able to put on the necessary things so that we should avoid reactive measures. So we will just make proactive measures than active measures.
The training had objectives to improve knowledge of GBV laws and case law in the state, equip investigators with skills for evidence collection, forensic documentation, and chain of custody. It is also to strengthen prosecutors' ability to frame charges, present medical evidence, and secure conviction. Encourage survivor-centered justice balancing restorative and punitive models. UNFPA Gender and Reproductive Health Analyst and the State Program Officer Deborah Tabara commended the Ministry of Justice for engaging key stakeholders in GBV justice. She noted that managing GBV comes with challenges, and this training is a strategy to bridge the gap.
Having this meeting on a yearly basis is a strategy to bridge this challenge by ensuring that you're equipped with the right knowledge and capacity to carry out your the services. So we are hopeful that as you gain another opportunity to learn, please, you can see, I'm thankful that the Ministry of Justice has made this very free. So if you have any challenge, if you have any question, please ask. We're here to support, we're here to chart a better way forward. So I thank you all for coming, and I want to reiterate UNFPA's commitment to working closely with the Bauchi State government in ensuring that its development goals are achieved.
The Gender Desk Officer, Ministry of Justice, Barrister Maimuna, said the ministry sees more of sexual violence and torture of minors.
You all agree with me that issue of gender-based violence is a menace that is bedeviling our society, and day in, day out is one case that keep on coming to our tables, and they need to see how we could reduce the number of cases and how we address the issue is what necessitated this training.
There were goodwill messages from the State Ministry of Women Affairs and Child Development, State Office of the Sustainable Development Goals, and journalists for Public Health and Development Initiative. Elizabeth Ka, BATV News.